Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Link is down there. That way you get notified of future reviews, occasional build and competitions. Today we're going to look at a new decal sheet from Lifelike Decals. This is a sort of new thing for them. This is a correction sheet for the 1/72 B-25 from Airfix. Hi, so let's look inside the bag. This is a bit different to the decal sets that Lifelike Decals usually do. This is basically, it's a correction set for the Airfix 1/72 B-25C D kit with markings for the Desert Warrior inside, and that's all it's about. And it's just specific correction decals as well, it's not a full set. And as I said, it's in 1/72 scale. So if you've got the Airfix kit and you want your decals to look right, you will need this. So what have we got inside? To start with, there's the decal sheet. Look at that in a second. And then inside we have, it's actually just that, just one sheet of paper. As you can see there, straight away you can see the land is a different colour in the decal, and it all comes down to colour photos that were taken. Lifelike Decals always list their references, and then up here they're going through those references, explaining the changes that need to happen to basically make the markings correct, and it goes through the detail. But the biggie is number one is reference number 1, and 2 are colour photographs of the aircraft, which show different colours on certain things than is supplied in the Airfix decals. So basically that's what it's all about. And there's also some other subtleties. The rudder markings need correcting, and also there's markings on the engine nacelles that need correcting as well. As it says here, this decals is designed specifically for this kit, and this particular decal option does not provide decals for US national insignia, stencils, battle number 19 and most of the right side nose art. So there's you specifically, you have to have that kit, and then just this will fix things up for you. As always, Lifelike Decals gives you a phone number, an email address and their website, and if you have comments or ideas, they'd love to hear from you. The decal sheet itself, if I can pick it up, printed in cartograph in Italy, no backing film apart from on text, as you always expect with Lifelike. They look very nice. So in all, it's a pretty neat little update. It's nice that basically I go on about their research, what the amount of research they do on their aircraft, their decal sets, is more than most. And obviously this is one area where extra research would have been good. So anyway, many thanks to Lifelike for sending it along for us to have a look at, and thanks to you for watching.